So Anthropic just released a massive update inside of Claude, and it's called Interactive Charts and Diagrams. So basically right now you can go and ask Claude to create an interactive diagram or plot a chart explaining something, and it's going to create it, which will help people visualize those things much better and understand the information more clearly. And this new update might have also destroyed a few startups, but anyway, to use this feature, you just need to come to Claude and ask the AI model to make an interactive diagram or a chart for anything that you want. So I already tried this feature once, and in that prompt, I asked the AI model to make an interactive diagram or chart showing Newton's pendulum and its physics. Now, this is the interactive diagram that the AI model has created for us. And below that diagram, it has also explained how it works, the law of conservation of momentum, and also it has explained the conservation of kinetic energy. And everything said here is completely correct. Now, in this diagram, we can change the number of balls being pulled. Like right now, it is at 1, and I can change it up to 3 balls. So 3 balls are going to get pulled, and I can also increase or decrease the damping effect here. And here the model has also added a button to show forces. So if I just click on it, we will be able to see how the forces are acting on the balls. So overall, this was a very impressive diagram that the AI model is able to create. Now let's create a new interactive diagram with Claude here. So I'm just going to give the AI model this specific prompt, which is use your visualization feature to diagram the entire human digestive system and trace a piece of food from mouth to absorption. Make it interactive and color-coded by organ. So let's see what kind of diagram the model is able to create for us. All right, so this is the diagram that the AI model created from our prompt. Now here you can basically see all the organs, and it has also named all the organs correctly. But the diagram looks quite stupid. This is not that good looking of a diagram, but let's see how the functionality of the diagram is. So if I just click on the next option here, what is going to happen? So it is showing that the food is inside of the mouth now. So let's click on next. Now the food is inside of the esophagus organ. Now let's click on next a few times and see what happens. So right now the food is inside of the pancreas, and the interactive diagram is also giving me some facts about the organ. And right now it is saying the pancreas secretes a cocktail of digestive enzymes, trypsin and chymotrypsin for proteins, pancreatic lipase for fats, and pancreatic amylase for remaining starches. It also releases carbohydrate to neutralize stomach acid and protect the intestinal lining. So as you can see, overall this is also a very useful diagram for learning stuff about biology and how the digestive system of a human works. Now let's create a new diagram, and I'm going to give the AI model this prompt, which is visualize the evolution of programming languages from 1950 to today as an interactive family tree. Show how each language influenced the next, and let me click through the branches. So let's see what kind of interactive tree we get. Alright, so this is the interactive diagram that Claude has created. And as you can see, it clearly shows all the old coding languages and showcases the new coding languages that came from those previous coding languages and how those languages influenced other languages and what are the modern versions. So overall, this was also a very good diagram, and it will actually help people understand the correlation between the older and the newer languages. So this diagram was also very useful. Now, I want to show you another thing that I found really interesting, which you can specifically do with Claude. Using Claude, you can create these types of very creepy, glitchy videos. Now, I found out about this from this guy. His name is Joseph Viviano, and he used Claude to create this specific video. He gave the AI model the prompt, can you use whatever resources you like and Python to generate a short YouTube poop video and render it using FFmpeg? Can you put more of a professional spin to it? It should express what it's like to be an LLM. And from that specific prompt, the AI model created this video. Now, as you can see, this video is pretty creepy, and people have also started to make similar videos using Claude. This guy has made this specific video, and this was completely made by Claude. So what I want to do is copy the prompt that this guy used to create the first video of this type, and use it inside of Claude Desktop to see whether the AI model can actually create this type of video or not. So let's run it, and let's see what kind of video we get. Alright, so Claude has generated an MP4 video from the prompt that we gave it, and it has named the file this, so I'm just going to copy it, search the file, and see what kind of video we get. So let me just play the video that the AI model has created. So as you can see, this video was also pretty cool. So if you want to try it out, then you can easily do that using the method that I have shown here. Now that was about it for the video. See you in the next one.